Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset on your headphones Soundcore P3. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case, and after that press and hold connection button right here on your charging case until this LED light it starts flashing white 3 times. And here we go. Now close the charging case, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Then go to, if you have Android, click pair new device and open the charging case. It should enter to pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just press and hold connection button for at least 3 seconds and click on your headphones at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!